You think you've seen rare gems? Wait until you see number 1. Today, we're counting down the 10 most insane, ultra-rare blue gems you'll never believe actually exist. Forget your standard sapphires and aquamarines. We're diving into a world of stones so rare, most people have never even heard of them. Gems found in only one place on Earth, gems that change color right before your eyes, and gems that are worth more than a mansion. I've scoured the globe to bring you this list, trust me. Each one is crazier than the last. This isn't just about shiny rocks. It's about the incredible stories behind them. We're going on a 12-minute journey from the volcanic vents of the Caribbean to the remote mines of Madagascar. You're going to see colors you didn't think were possible in nature. And stick around until the very end, because the number 1 gem on this list has a secret that will blow your mind. I'll give you a hint. It has a connection to the very formation of our planet that scientists are still trying to understand. I'm Penty. Let's get into it. Kicking off our list at number 10 is Larimar, a gem so beautiful it looks like someone bottled up the Caribbean Sea. Seriously, look at this thing. Soft sky blue color with white streaks that look like sunlight dancing on the ocean surface. You can almost feel the tropical breeze. Not just a random blue rock. It's a super rare form of pectolite, found in only one place in the entire world. One place. I mean it. Mined in a single, tiny, mountainous area in the Dominican Republic. A 1 square kilometer patch is the only source on the planet. That's why you don't see Larimar in every jewelry store. You can't mass produce it. How it forms is insane. Created within volcanic vents as mineral-rich fluids are pushed into cracks and crystallize as they cool. Born from the fiery heart of a volcano, Larimar has become a symbol of the Caribbean, often called the Dolphin Stone or the Atlantis Stone. Legends even say it comes from the Lost City. Jewelers set it in silver to complement its cool tones, a favorite for pendants and earrings that show off its unique patterns. Price-wise, more accessible than others, but not cheap, from a few dollars per carat for lower grade to $50 or even $100 per carat for top specimens. The best pieces are highly sought after by collectors. Single-source rarity and incredible beauty make it a true treasure. But we're just getting started. Next up, a stone that can show you 3 different colors at once. Coming in at number 9 is a gem you've probably never heard of. Cornerapine. This isn't your average gemstone, it's pleochroic, a geological chameleon. Look from different angles and it shows completely different colors. Flashes of green, blue, yellow, even brown. It changes its look every time you move your hand. The crystal structure absorbs light differently along its axis, nature's built-in magic trick. Finding any cornerapine is rare. Finding it blue-green is next-level difficult. Most are dull brownish green, making vibrant stones incredibly valuable. Main sources: Sri Lanka, Madagascar, Tanzania, and Kenya. And even there, gem-quality crystals are ridiculously scarce. Miners can go months, even years, without finding a single clean, cuttable piece. That's why blue-green cornerapine is a connoisseur's gem, traded among people who want what nobody else has. Niche demand drives prices way up, even for small stones. You won't find it at the mall. It's a specialist stone. A clean, well-cut blue-green cornerapine can command thousands per carat. The stronger the pleochroism, the higher it goes. It earns its spot for extreme rarity and visual complexity. But the next gem, discovered only in 1967 and found in an area smaller than most cities. At number 8, a modern legend, Tanzanite. It's got the deep richness of sapphire, with incredible flashes of purple and violet, a shade you don't see elsewhere. The wild part? It was only discovered in 1967, hiding in plain sight near Mount Kilimanjaro. Legend says, lightning set the grasslands on fire. After the blaze, dull brown stones had turned blue-violet. True or not, the magic stuck. Tiffany and Cody launched it to the world and named it Tanzanite. Every piece comes from a tiny 8-square-mile patch in northern Tanzania. Geologists say conditions were so unique the odds of it elsewhere are 1,000,000 to 1. Supply is finite. Once Miralani is depleted, that's it. A one-generation gemstone. Most stones get a gentle heat to bring out the color, standard practice, which makes naturally blue, unheated pieces extra special. Despite being a newcomer, it's a major player. Top color and clarity can reach thousands per carat. Next, a gem that takes rarity to a new level with truly dramatic color change. At number 7 is Alexandrite, the ultra-rare blue-green kind. Emerald by day, ruby by night. In daylight or fluorescent light, it appears greenish blue, but under incandescent, even a candle, it shifts to reddish purple. As a chrysoberyl, it has 2 transmission windows, one in the green-blue spectrum and one in the red. The light source decides what you see. It's like 2 incredibly rare gems in one. Discovered in Russia's Urals in the 1830s and named after the future Tsar, famed for vivid green-to-red change. But those mines were depleted long ago. Today it comes from Sri Lanka, Brazil, and East Africa. Yet none consistently match the drama of the originals. Blue-green daylight color is the rarest of the rare. Value is all about the change. The more complete blue-green to red-purple, the better. Combine strong change with clarity and size, and it can surpass diamond prices. We're talking tens to even hundreds of thousands per carat for the finest. Yet the next gem is so scarce, most gemologists have never seen one in person. Our number 6 pick is Jeremejevite. Try saying that 3 times fast. A gem so rare it was once thought a myth. Discovered in Siberia in 1883. For decades, only a handful of tiny included crystals were known. Then in the 1990s, Namibia produced gem-quality crystals. The gem world went wild. The blue is subtle and elegant, often a soft ethereal pastel called cornflower or sky blue. Namibian crystals are elongated hexagons, tiny, perfectly formed blue icicles. Sources are incredibly limited. Siberia, Namibia, Tajikistan, Myanmar. Deposits sporadic, facet-grade tiny. Global production you could hold in your palm. Fine blue pieces trade at auction between top collectors and museums. Prices start in the thousands per carat and can exceed $20,000 for exceptional stones. A ghost of a gem, rarely seen, legendary to hold. Next, a common gem family with a blue member once thought impossible. At number 5, a rule breaker, blue garnet. For centuries, experts said a blue garnet was impossible. Garnet wears a rainbow, but never blue, until it did. The chemistry wasn't thought to allow blue absorption. Then the late 1990s changed that. Peculiarly unearthed garnets blue-green in daylight that shifted pinkish-purple under incandescent light. A pyrope spessartine mix colored by vanadium. An alexandrite-like color change. Later finds in the USA, Turkey, and Tanzania even yielded true, non-shifting blue garnets. Rarer still. Most are tiny, under half a carat. Over 1 carat clean is monumental. Multi-carat is museum level. Legendary finds cement its mythos. Prices range from about $500 to over $10,000 per carat. Stratospheric for exceptional, large, pure blue stones. A common family, with the rarest of rares. Speaking of surprises, the next gem glows an unearthly blue in the dark. Cracking our top 4 is a true American treasure. Benitoite. Under shortwave UV, it fluoresces a brilliant, ghostly blue-white. An otherworldly light show. That strong fluorescence helps identify it, thanks to its unique crystal chemistry. Discovered in 1907 near the San Benito River, hence the name. The San Benito mine in California is the only place that ever produced gem-quality crystals. The mine is closed and flooded. Supply is officially finite. Most faceted benitoite is well under 1 carat. Over 2 carats is a legend. California named it the official state gem in 1985. Fine 1 carat stones often fetch $4,000 to $8,000 per carat. Larger sizes escalate fast. But our top 3 pushes into Holy Grail territory. At number 3, Grandidierite, named after explorer Alfred Grandidier. A hue that's both soft and vibrant. For a century after its 1902 discovery, it existed only as small translucent to opaque fragments. A museum specimen, not a gemstone. A ghost mineral collectors dreamed about. Then in 2014, near Tranamaro, transparent gem-quality crystals were found. Gem cutters finally birthed breathtaking stones. Even so, most material remains translucent opaque. Only a minuscule fraction is facet grade. Think 1 carat faceable for every 10,000 carats mined. Century-long demand plus scarcity makes it one of the most expensive gems. Clean faceted stones can exceed $30,000 per carat. Like cornerupine, it's strongly pleochroic, shifting blue, green, even near colorless with angle. Owning a transparent grandidierite is owning gemological history. Ready for a color you won't believe is natural? Our number 2 is the one and only Paraiba tourmaline. Not just blue, but electric. Windex blues and neon greenish blues that look lit from within. The secret is copper, sometimes with manganese. A chemistry that creates that signature neon saturation. Discovered in Brazil in the 1980s. The original mines were tiny and mined out quickly. true Brazilian material is the benchmark and now virtually gone. Similar copper-bearing tourmalines later appeared in Nigeria and Mozambique, often gorgeous, but Brazil still sets the standard. That created a two-tiered market, with a massive premium for Brazil. It's the most expensive tourmaline. Top Brazilian stones can exceed $50,000 per carat. Exceptional pieces have fetched six figures per carat. Many stones are heated. An untreated top color is the ultimate prize. Insane color, extreme rarity, legendary status, and still not number one. The rarest blue gem of all carries a secret from deep within our planet. The number one rarest blue gem in the world is the blue diamond. True, natural, fancy, vivid blue. Beauty, value, legendary. Its blue isn't from copper or iron. It's from boron atoms trapped in the carbon lattice, absorbing yellow light. Think the 45.45 Hope Diamond, or the 12.03 Blue Moon of Josephine. Only about 0.02% of mined diamonds show any blue. Vivid saturated blues are a tiny fraction of that. South Africa's Cullinan mine produced more famous blue diamonds than any other, and even there, they're exceptionally rare. They set auction records, millions per carat. The Oppenheimer blue fetched 57.5 masters, about 3.9 dollars per carat. Inclusions reveal minerals that form only under immense lower mantle pressures, over 400 miles deep. The boron likely came from ancient ocean floors, subducted into the mantle over geologic time. A blue diamond is a messenger from deep earth, carrying a piece of an ancient ocean. How crazy is that? And there you have it, 10 of the rarest, most unbelievable blue gems on planet Earth. From the Caribbean sky of Larimar to the deep earth majesty of a blue diamond, which one surprised you the most? The impossible blue garnet, the fluorescent benetoite, or the neon glow of Paraíba tourmaline? Each one tells an incredible story of geology, rarity, and beauty. The specific conditions needed for these to exist are mind-bending. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Drop a comment. Which blue gem would you add to your collection? Team color-changing Alexandrite, or pure rarity Grandidiorite? Thanks for watching this 12-minute countdown. Sources and links are in the description. See you in the next one.